Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Once again, I'm talking about smooth low portion. I'm talking about SLP token. What's going on? What's the price? What's the price changes occur in SLP? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update video about SLP coin, guys. The right now price of SLP coin in the market is about 0.07022 USD dollar. That is the right now price of SLP coin. So guys, now other side you can see here the changes of SLP coin are going negative. 11.36% changes occur in a smooth low portion just in last 24 hours. So guys, very petty SLP coin dumps. I mean going in the lows, guys. So I'm very sad to see this kind of negative changes, guys. Anyways, furthermore, guys, if you want this kind of update and news videos about SLP coin, about cryptocurrencies market, so I recommend for you to please click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos, guys. Now let's study more about SLP coin. Oh my god, you can see if you study the trading volume going in negative, fully diluted market cap going negative, market cap going negative, guys. So guys, in the right now situation, market cap, fully diluted market cap and trading volume of SLP coin are going negative completely. So absolutely F trading volume are going negative. So the changes will also become negative, guys, because the people are deciding to selling, so the supply becomes decreased, guys, and as a result the price of SLP coin price becomes low. But you know what, guys, if you buy SLP coin in a right now price, so I believe, guys, that after 1 year, after 6 months, after 5 months, the price of SLP coin will be 0.01 USD dollars. So absolutely you will get a huge profit if you hold for a long time, guys. I think that now price is very low. It's opportunity for investment. But guys, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any crypto, any coin, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.